Ako po si Rinali Escalising, 27 years old, mula po sa Bislig City, Surigao del Sur, Philippines. My father is a farmer. Sa amin po, wala pong ganitong trabaho na manufacturing at konti lang po yung industry po doon. Ngayon po, nagtatrabaho po ako ngayon sa Amherst Parenterals bilang isang visual inspector. At kakatapos lang po ng training ko sa automatic testing machine bilang isang operator po.
We have the programs, and we've been doing this for a number of years. But with this particular engagement with USAID, we're actually able to increase the scale of the kind of things that we do. I mean, being able to train something like 11,000 technicians for upskilling and reskilling. I couldn't imagine that we would be able to do that on our own.
Ayoko pong maging stagnant sa learnings. Gusto ko pong mag-upskill tulad po ng mga ginagawa ng men operators. Nakikita po silang expert po sila sa gawain po nila. So, sa akin po, gusto ko pong ma-achieve yung expertise nila sa mga machine.
In the Philippines, we've had this mindset of putting men when it comes to working on machines, and then putting the women when it comes to doing the manual packaging type of work. Slowly, that's been changing. Rinali is now working on a very sophisticated machine. It's actually the only one of its kind in the Philippines. She's handling it now, of course, having been through significant training.
So we created several areas where trainings for our technicians operator can really can be demonstrated. Rinalyn is now training the electronic inspection equipment where it checks the integrity of our sterile products.
That is something that is injected into your bloodstream, into your muscle. So if there's anything wrong, you'll feel it in a matter of seconds. So there's really no room for error there.
Tumaas po talaga yung confidence level ko kasi bilang isang babae, nakakapag-operate po ako ng machine na katulad niya na sophisticated machine.
We are able to provide programs that would elevate the quality of the Filipino worker, and then they would match the specific needs of the investors. I think it can only redound to an overall economic improvement in the country, thanks of course to the help of USAID.
Sa lahat ng mga kababaihan na katulad ko, ay i-grab niyo po yung opportunities na ino-offer ni USAID para matuto po kayo at hindi mag-limit yung learnings niyo. Matuto din po kayo sa mga gawaing panglalaki na ang isang manufacturing ay hindi lamang po nag-limit sa mga lalaki na nagwo-work, kundi para din po ito sa mga babae na talagang kinakaya yung mga gawain ng lalaki.